Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here, and today we're going to be finishing up the 636, making it roadworthy. So today we're rebuilding the master cylinder. I'm putting a tag light on it, replacing the heat shield because it was cracked, and I got some new grips for it from Pro Taper. So that's what we're doing today. So let's get started. Okay, I just put on the rear spring for the rear brake pedal. I might have to adjust that a little bit. We might have to come down with that switch, so I'll fine tune it a little bit. Now I'm going to move on to the tag light, so this is going to be a little bit more fun. So yeah, let's jump to the tag light. Okay, so now we're back here at putting on the tag light. I've already cut the wire and I have a mock-up wiring, so now I'm just gonna clean this real quick, then I'm gonna mount it to it, and then I'll start actually wiring this thing in. So let's clean it and get it mounted. Okay, so for a safety precaution, I'm going to use some super glue on this as well. If I can actually get the 3M tape to come off. If it'll come off. This is gonna be fun. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some super glue just to make sure it stays on there. Just to be on the safe side. Add a line down it, just to be safe. And it's dry enough. I'm going to mount it right there. Now my tag light should be lit up, so let's go to the top and get this thing wired in right and get the tag light finished. And voila, now we have a tagline. Alright, now we're going to start putting on the master cylinder kit for the front. Okay, so now I've finished installing the master cylinder gasket kit. Now I'm just going to bleed the brakes. I'm going to skip that. Y'all need to see that. That's pretty much just normal stuff. Next, we're going to be putting all the grips. Alright guys, so I finished putting on the grips. They look good. I like how they feel. I like they feel better than the other ones that were on it. So now we got to put on the heat shield for the muffler, and that'll be it. So let's get that started. Alright guys, so we just finished. Today we put a tag light on the bike, I rebuilt the front master cylinder, and I put new grips on it, and we replaced the exhaust heat shield. And that's going to be it for today. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.